Okay, students, welcome in our e-learning classes. That is class 11. So this is the last class. Of limit. Okay. Today I will in this class I will solve only two sums. So first sum number 28 and 32. These two sums I will solve in this class. Okay, question number 28. Question number 20, it is given that fx equal to one thing, fx equal to given fx equal to given a plus bx when x less than 1 and a plus bx x less than 1, 4x equal to 1 and b minus ax b minus x equal to 1 and b minus ax x greater than 1, b minus ax x greater than 1. Okay, now students, one thing, in this question it is asked if limit so fx equal to f1, that is limit, then find the value of a and b. So it is given, student, limit x tends to, it is given also limit x tends to fx equal to f1, limit x tends to 1, fx equal to f of 1. Okay, now so first I will calculate limit x tends to x minus. So limit x tends to 1 minus, so it will be 1 minus fx. So that equal to limit x tends to 1 minus means less than 1. 1 minus means less than 1. So a plus bx, I will take a plus bx. Now a plus b, by putting the value of x at 1, that equal to a plus b, and limit x tends to 1 plus, that fx, that equal to limit x tends to 1 plus means b minus ax. Okay, now put the value of x as 1, that you will get b minus a. Now limit x tends to 1 minus and x tends to 1 plus, they are consecutively a plus b and b minus a, and it is also given that limit x tends to 1 means limit x tends to 1 plus fx equal to limit x tends to 1 minus fx equal to limit x tends to 1 fx equal to f1. So now f1 also, what will be the f1? At f1 means at x equal to 1, that is 4. So therefore b plus a equal to f1, that equal to 4, and b minus a that is also 4. So by solving these two equation, you will get b equal to 4 and a equal to 0. Okay, b equal to 4 and a equal to 0. That is the number 28 sums. And the last sums of this class, that is question number 32, and also the last sums of chapter limit chapter, third question number 32. It is given that fx equal to, the function is defined as fx equal to mx square plus n, nx plus m, and last one nx cube plus m, nx cube plus n. Okay, where x less than, it is for x less than 0, it is for 0 less than equal to x, 0 less than equal to x, less than equal to 1, and nx cube plus n, that is x greater than 1. That is x greater than 1. Got it, everyone? Now, how I will solve it? In this question it is asked, it has asked that for what integer of mn limit x tends to 0 fx and limit x tends to 1 fx limit exist, and find the value of limit x tends to 1. Okay. Now, first of all, students, limit x tends to 0 minus, limit x tends to 0 minus fx. So which function you will choose? 0 minus, that is limit x tends to 0, 0 minus means less than 0 means that function only, mx square plus n, mx square plus n. So put the value x equal to 0, put the value at x equal to 0, so easily mx square plus n, mx square plus n, so you will get n. Similarly, limit x tends to 0 plus fx, so that is limit x tends to 0, 0 plus means that is nx plus m, that is less than, that is equal to and less than equal to 0. So 0 plus you can take nx plus m. So put x equal to 0, so you will get m. Now limit x tends to 0 fx, that limit exists only when left hand limit, that is x tends to 0 minus, and right hand limit x tends to 0 plus, these two fx are equal. Okay, one thing, yes, so these two limits are equal. Now one left hand limit is n and right hand limit, so for what this limit x tends to 0 fx exists? When n equal to m, that time only if limit x tends to 0 fx exists. Okay, now the next part, limit x tends to 1 minus fx equal to limit x tends to 1, which if 1 minus means you have to take that one nx plus mx plus m, that putting the value x equal to 1 at place of x, that is n plus m, and limit x tends to 1 plus fx, limit x tends to 1 plus means that one nx cube plus 1, nx cube plus m, that is 1 plus, so n plus n, n plus m. Okay, got it? N plus m and n plus m. Now both the n plus n and n plus n, they are equal. They are equal. So left hand limit and right hand limit at say equal n plus m. So limit x tends to 0. Sorry, limit x tends to 1 fx, that equal to n plus m. Okay, students, this is the end of this class, and next day I will start derivative. Okay, thank you, students. Bye.